Hey friends, if the enhancement tab is missing from both the speakers and microphone properties in Windows, then please watch this video. Now, in most of the cases, there is no solution to it, but I'll still show you what can be done. Try reinstalling the drivers, the audio drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar, open device manager, expand audio inputs and outputs, right click on the first one, uninstall device, action, scan for hardware changes. Do it for all the audio input and output drivers, and then restart your computer. Does it help? Well, let's see. I'll try and open the system tray, right click on the sound icon, go to settings, and then I'll scroll down and select more sound settings. Let's see. There is no enhancements tab. Right click. There is no okay, there is an enhancements tab here if you want that. In recording properties, there's no enhancement tab here, and there's no enhancement tab here. So basically there are a lot of devices which do not have an enhancement tab, and this is normal. So only a few devices have the enhancement tab. Only a few devices support enhancement. The best you can do is try updating the drivers, but other than this, there's nothing else you can do to fix this problem. If it doesn't exist, it doesn't exist. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.